Everybody has their stuff away and ready and you guys are quiet.
Good job. 97.
Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, today we're going to continue to learn about counting by twos. Okay? First off, can anybody tell me, like, give me some examples of things that come in twos?
97.
I'll give you one example. Socks. Two, like a pair of socks. They come in twos. What other stuff?
Right here.
Jessica. Shoes. What were you getting? Oh. Franza.
Good job, Heather.
Gloves. Good.
53.
Yes.
Eyes.
Eyes. What other body parts? Let's look at this.
Did you count?
Yes, let's look at him. Raise your hand and tell me what two parts does he have on him? Yes, Isaiah. Legs, 2 legs.
53.
Okay. Daniel,
Hands.
2 hands. What else? Brad. Ears.
Oh, eyeballs.
Yes, go ahead.
Eyes.
2 eyes.
Can you make me sad?
What else on his face has 2
100.
parts? Yes, Jonathan. Nose. He has 2 nostrils. There's one more. You said ears?
Yeah, well, I
Oh.
said
Okay. Do you guys want to count with me all the 2 parts he has on him?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to count together. Let's start with his feet. So that's 2, 4,
Would you make me 100?
arms.
Okay, good. Go put your work away.
Nope. What comes after 8 when you're counting our 2s? 10. 10.
12.
Hmm.
14.
What is it?
14.
I don't think there's anything else on
Oh
him
yeah,
that has 2s.
his
Shoulders?
Yeah.
His shoulders? What about like his knees and his elbows?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's count all together. Every single one, okay? I will say the body part and then you count, okay, by 2s, what he has. So, starting with his feet,
2.
okay, his legs,
4.
his knees,
6.
his hips,
8.
his hands,
10.
his arms,
12.
his elbows,
14.
his nostrils,
16.
good, his eyes,
18.
and his ears.
20.
What is it?
20.
Good. Okay. Now we are going to do some, we're going to do some up on the projector. I'm going to give you some numbers and then I'm going to call on somebody to count from that number, okay? How do you, Miss Thomas, how do you turn on this thing? There's like 3 buttons. There's a lot of buttons. Okay. While we're waiting, why is it important to learn how to count by 2s? What makes it better when you're counting to a higher number? Yeah.
So can you learn?
So we can learn, but also it takes longer. It takes longer to count to, let's say, 100 if you're counting by 1s, right? So if you count by 2s, it'd be faster. So you could get there faster because you're skipping.
60.
Does everybody get the pattern of counting by 2s?
Yes.
Yeah?
If you 4, 6, 10.
Yep, you go 2, you skip 3, 4, skip 5, 6,
Good. Now can you
skip
build
7,
a set of
8,
15?
skip 9, 10. And then you start over with the 1 in the place. So you'll go 12, 12,
14.
16, 18, 20. And then you'll start over again with the 2s. 22, 24,
26, 27.
And then you start over again with the 2s.
32, 34, 36, 38,
And then what's next?
Good job.
Yes. And then you keep starting over. Does everybody see the pattern? 2,
yes.
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, let's do some on the projector. You want to turn them off for me? Thank you.
88.
Okay. Let's see. Let's start with. I'm going to call on somebody and you guys are going to count for me, okay? Who wants to do this one? Raise your hand. Daniel, go ahead for me. Start with 32. Counting by 2s, what comes after 32 when you're counting by 2s?
71.
Help him out, Gabriel.
32, 34.
Yep. Can you get it, Daniel, from here? Can you get it from here? 32, 34.
You're doing 97.
Help him out, Ashley. Go ahead and finish it for me if you can.
30.
Okay, check and see. I don't know.
And what else?
36, 30.
38.
Yep.
There you go. Now can you go this?
And then what do you go to? See, you went 2, 4, 6, 8. Then you got to go to, what did you say?
10.
40. There you go. What would come next? Go ahead. 42.
Okay,
Good.
now build me a
Okay,
set of
let's do
53.
this one. I'm going to start with. I'm going to start.
Oh, that's easy. That's easy. Oh, no.
You guys want to, let's do it all together. Ready?
Okay.
Go ahead.
10, 12, 14,
Good.
16,
Good.
18,
Good.
53.
20.
There you go. Okay, this one's going to be tricky. I'm going to start with.
Easy for me. Yeah,
All right, who wants to do this one? Go ahead, Esperanza. Yep.
76.
Yes. 70 what?
3. No,
Yeah.
100. This is only 10. How do you make 100?
80. Good. 82. Good job. Okay. I'm going to put this one here. Do you guys think you can do that? Okay, let's start with this one first. What would that one be if this one is 26 and you're counting by 2s? Loriano.
28.
Okay. What would this one be then?
Okay.
Say it together. Ready?
30.
Behind you.
Would you know?
Behind me.
Do you know what this one is? If this one's 26, now you don't go up 2, you go back 2.
Oh,
What would be, Gabriel?
24.
Good. 24. Okay. 24 down 2 again. Say it together. Ready?
26.
Ooh, you're going down 2.
Oh, 22.
Yes.
22.
22.
You already said it too late.
And then, Daniel, what would this one be?
21. No. 20.
You're going down 2. What would it be?
21.
Yep.
No.
Good.
20.
Let's see. We'll do one more. And then I got another thing. Yes, Ashley, you can do it. Let's start with.
Did you go get Jonathan?
32 right there. Okay, ready? We're going to start with this one right here. What comes after 32 when you're counting by 2? Ashley. Yep. What comes next, Gabriel?
36.
Good. Okay, Kaylee, if you're going 32 and you take away 2, what would it be? From here to here. You're not going up 2, you're going back 2. So you gotta count down. Hey Joy, you wanna help her out? 30, good. Kaylee, do you know what the next one would be? If you go down 2 more?
30.
Let's say I put this here. What would it be then? 26. What comes after 26, Kaylee, when you're counting by 2? Xavier, help her out.
28.
28, good. Then all together, what would this one be? Ready?
24.
Good. Okay. Let's see. Now I want you guys to take anything on your body that has a pair of each. I want you to count them, and then I'll come around and ask you how many. Okay, so like you count your ears and your eyes, and if you have glasses, you just count the 2 eye things, and you can count your nose, shoulders, hips, knees, elbows, arms, hands, anything that has a pair of 2, okay?
How much you got? 3 or 4?
Okay. Kaylee, would you come up here for me?
14.
Come up and stand right here. Okay, everybody. We are gonna focus on what Kaylee has as a pair on her body, okay? Let's start with her head. What's up here? What she has?
Hair.
Does that?
No.
Her eyes, okay, so that's 2.
And her ear.
4.
Ears.
How many would her nose be if we have 4?
All right, push them up.
From 4 count 2.
Count those.
6. Okay, we said ears already. Let's go down here. What about these? So we're at 6, so what would we go from 6? All together?
8.
Yes.
You have 6 rods.
Okay.
How many is that
And
altogether?
then we're right here. Go ahead. 10. Her arms make from 10 to more. 12. Her hands from 12 would make.
Push it up. How about this?
Okay. And then her 16. Her legs would make.
17. 18.
What would it make? Say it all together. Ready?
8.
Okay. And then her knees.
20.
Good. And her feet. Not What was it? 22. Good. Okay, you can sit back down. Okay, I have some
Good job.
worksheets for you guys to complete. We will do the first one together though. On the worksheet. Okay, just stand it there. Go do that one then. Okay, you are going to put your name up at the top, right here. Okay? We're going to hand them out.
Very good. How about 97?
9.